G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Bitch Dog Maths. This time we're doing...
Afternoon, Mr. Bishop.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce my sidekick, Mr. Davies.
I'm here, it's okay.
Yeah.
No one panic.
Yeah. Distributive law this time, okay? This is for the year 10s at the moment.
Yep.
Distributive law, so it's kind of like bit of BIMDAS, order of operations.
BIMDAS.
BIMDAS.
Brackets, indices,
Yeah, the B
multiplication.
in brackets means brackets. Yep.
B for brackets.
Yep.
Brackets. Okay, BIMDAS.
So that's
right.
what we do. So basically everything inside the brackets is multiplied by what's outside the brackets.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yep.
So simple ones to start with, get complex later on. It's just a simple, just quick video. It won't take 17 minutes like our last one.
Like the last one, that was an epic video.
Yeah,
Epic.
So let's just go across. So 3 times what's inside the brackets.
So it's
Three-
multiply when we do this?
Yeah,
It's multiply when there's a
So
bracket?
it's not
okay.
plus,
Right,
it's multiply.
Yep.
Yeah, so
So
3 times x.
Is 3x.
Yeah, we don't know what x is, so it's
Yep.
3x.
Okay.
Now, 3 times positive 1.
Is 3. 3?
Yeah.
Yep, 3.
Is that negative 3 or positive 3?
Positive 3.
Positive 3, so
Positive 3, so plus 3.
plus 3. And that's
Okay.
it. Okay.
Alright.
So that's been...
And that's a linear equation.
Yeah.
If it's 3x plus 3 because
Yep.
it's x to the power of 1.
Yep.
Is that right, Mr. Bishop?
It would be.
Okay.
It would be a straight line.
Yep.
If you start x squared and stuff like that, x cubed, beyond that, you get the
curves.
curves. Yeah.
Right, okay. Next one.
Now B.
B.
It doesn't matter, it's a number.
Okay.
A letter, sorry. B times B.
B times B. So it's b to the power of 1 times b to the power of 1,
Yeah.
which is b to the power of 2,
Yep.
because it's 1 plus 1 in the index law stuff we
Yep.
did earlier
Index
in
law,
the
yeah.
term.
Okay. So you could write, if it's easier, you
Yeah.
can always write to the power of 1. You can do it to anything. Every number is...
Always to the power of 1.
Just why waste your time? It's given. It's to the power of 1.
Yep.
Unless it's said otherwise. So,
Yes, of course. Yep.
yeah. I mean, if it helps. But if it helps.
If it helps.
Index
still.
law,
Yeah.
1 plus 1,
Is 2.
2. So B, don't confuse you. B times B is B squared.
It's b squared. Yep.
Okay, now B times negative 1.
B times negative 1. So it's a positive b times a negative 1. So it's a positive times a negative. So it's a negative.
Yep, it is negative. Yeah.
Okay, so it's just going to be negative b.
Yeah.
To the power of
so
1.
you could say 1 times B, 1B, but 1B is the same as B, so we can just say...
B.
So it's the same, with negative 1B, we can just say negative B.
Negative b.
The same, if you put negative 1B, you wouldn't lose marks, would you?
No, you probably
But
wouldn't.
it's just...
No.
Oh, would you? I don't know. It's just good practice. The one
If it's,
okay?
it's a little bit like to the power of 1, you don't write it.
Yeah.
And the one in front, you don't write it because it's implied that it is, unless stated otherwise. You know?
We get carried away with this, don't we?
We could do.
Yeah, we say a short video, and here we are, gas bagging on. Negative 2 times x.
Is minus, it's a minus times a
Yeah.
positive, so it's minus 2 lots of x, so it's minus 2x.
Done.
And it's to the power of 1, but we don't need to write that, but it's not squared or anything.
Yep.
Okay.
And
yep.
now, here's a tricky one for you. And negative times a negative. So negative 2 times negative
So
4.
that's like, don't do something.
Yep.
So it's a positive, so it's a don't do something. So
And
it's
2
a
negatives make positive, correct?
positive 8
Yes.
Excellent.
So I'm going to put plus
plus 8.
8.
Okay, living the dream.
So that's, and they're done. That's his final form.
Yep,
Okay?
yep.
Can't be done
Okay,
anymore.
awesome. Brilliant.
But this one is going to be a couple steps. As you see, there's 2
Let's
steps.
just swap over, Mr.
Right,
Bishop. What do you
right.
reckon? Do a bit of a swapsy.
Yeah. I was left-handed before. Now,
How are you going to go with that?
like anything, I'll manage. Okay, so just do it the same. But this number applies to this brackets, and this one applies to this one. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all you got to do at this point.
So it would be 4 times x.
Yeah.
Is that
So
right?
4 times x.
Which would be 4x.
Easy.
Yeah. And then
Now we got 4 times positive 3.
which is positive 12. Because
Positive
they're both
12,
positive
yep.
numbers.
Now I finished there for now.
I've done that bit.
Yep.
Yep.
And now switch this one, which is that negative belongs to the 3. So it's negative 3 times x.
Okay, so it's a negative times a positive, so it's going to be negative, so it's going to
Yep.
be negative 3x.
Yep,
Mr.
so
Bishop, I reckon. Negative 3x.
That's why the negative comes in.
Negative
3x.
Yep.
Okay. And now negative 3
Times positive
positive
2.
2.
So negative times a positive.
negative
so
times
negative.
positive is a negative.
3
yeah.
times 2 is 6.
Yeah.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative
Correct.
6.
Now, you think, oh yeah, done it just like before, but some of these guys are friends, okay?
Okay, who's friendly?
Well, a bit like gang war. Cribs get along with cribs. Bloods and bloods. Same with this. X. He's got a mate over here.
Okay, so they're buddies.
Yeah. If the one is X squared and one's just X, they're not buddies, okay?
No, they don't like
it's
each other?
different. Yep.
Okay, right.
And we've got plain numbers, plain number. Okay? So,
4x,
yep.
take 3x.
Yes.
So 4 lots of x, take 3 lots of x. Got 4, take 3, I'm going to be left with 1 lot of x left.
Yep.
So just x?
Yeah, so if you say 1x, but like we discussed before, why would you? You just put x.
Yeah, if you don't have to do the extra work, don't put it in.
And now 12. For this one, just pretend you're on a number line. No, it doesn't go up to 12, but
12, take
yeah,
away
positive
6.
12, and you're taking away 6.
Okay, 12 take 6, so that would be 6.
Yeah, so 12, you jump back 6 spots, you're at 6. So,
Positive 6.
yeah, you're still positive 6, so plus 6.
X plus 6.
And there's its final form.
Okay, interesting.
Okay.
Okay, fantastic. So that's distributive law.
Distributive law, yeah.
Introduction to it.
Variety of examples. Just most of you at this stage you already know this stuff, but just think it through. Negative, negative, positive, positive, and like terms. Okay, what you can get along with, and yeah, whatever's in the brackets times by what's outside the brackets. On the left side. Yep.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay.
Fantastic. Right, we'll put
Signing
up
off.
another one, and we'll load some stuff onto Connect for you. Thank you.